So what was the name of this place again? What?
Ji Gong.
Ji Gong.
Ji Gong, yeah? Okay.
Ji Gong Temple.
Okay. Good morning. So I'm on my way to Phan, and so far the weather's behaving itself, thankfully. Looking a bit ominous to the west towards Myanmar, but fortunately when I get to Prao, which is where I am at the moment, I shall be turning east, so let's hope we can avoid the rain. Try and find a 7-Eleven. I fancy a cheese and ham and a cold tin of Birdie Robusta just to recharge the batteries, and next stop should be at a dam. I'll see you up there. Well, I never actually made it to the dam or to Doi Chiang, which is the coffee growing area further up the road. Google Maps decided to start sending me around in circles when I got close to it, and I got really fed up. So I thought I'll go on the way home. As it turned out, the day I came back home from Phan, the weather was absolutely atrocious, so I just came back on the main roads. So we'll have to put that one off for another time, but I'm definitely going to pay a visit up there. By the way, this video footage that I've taken on the bike here was recorded at 25 frames per second. My opinion before I started was that it would be too jerky, and to be honest, I think it is. But I would appreciate anybody's opinion as to whether they think it's too jerky for viewing or not. So what was the name of this place again? What?
Ji Gong.
Ji Gong.
Ji Gong, yeah? Okay.
Ji Gong Temple.
Okay. Tell you what, it's warm. So this is actually a shrine. As you can see, it looks more Chinese than Thai. Kapom kap. As you can see, it's quite a scenic part of the world here. Very peaceful. So I'm not sure what this is. I wonder, maybe is it people who've donated to the place? Very overpowering smell of joss sticks. Nice view of the landscape from the back of the shrine. I never thought I'd find people playing pool in Thailand. It's a bit sparse in here.